Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how you can get this image from these following images. I put the links for the images below if you want to follow along with this tutorial. Okay, so first of all, we're going to be dragging out all our images into GIMP. I'm just going to position and size the image now. We're going to use the part select tool to cut around the object of interest, in this case the cliff. You can press Ctrl Z or Command Z to undo changes. Hold Ctrl or Command and click on the node to close the path. Press Enter to make a selection. Once selection is made, right click on the layer and add a layer mask. Make sure selection is selected. Right click, select, and click None to deselect the object. Hold Command/Control and scroll to zoom in and out. I'm going to be using the healing tool to get rid of any imperfections. We can also use the airbrush tool to get rid of imperfections. Simply hold Ctrl and click on the color you want, and then color in the imperfections with the color. I'm just positioning the lion and scaling it to size. And then I'm going to be using the part select tool to make a selection around the lion. Hold Ctrl or Command and click on the node to close the path. Once again, we're going to be adding a layer mask from selection. Now I'm going to be moving the lion layer below the cliff layer, so it appears that the lion is behind the cliff. I'm going be reducing the opacity so that I can place the girl accurately on the cliff. Use the path selection tool to make a selection around the girl. Now that we positioned all our images, we can adjust the color, the lighting, and the shadows to make the image look more realistic. Always make sure that you're working on the right layer. On the lion layer mask, I'm going to be using a large black brush to create transparency. As you can see, this creates a smoky effect. The large soft brush creates a fading effect. Here, the burn tool creates the shadow, showing the dark parts of the image where the light doesn't hit. The dodge tool can be used to show light parts of the image where the light hits the lion, in this case. The blur tool is used to blend the edges with the surroundings. similar way, create light and dark areas on the girl. I'm assuming that the light is coming from the top right. I'm going to be creating a new layer for the shadow for the girl. I'm going to be using the brush to create the shadow. Simply draw where you think the shadow will be. I'm going to blur the shadow to give it a more realistic effect. And there you are, guys, all done. I hope you got something similar. Now you can just export it as a PNG. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Please like, comment and subscribe. I'll be happy to do more videos in the future.